Friends, we cannot even notice that a small product can have a big market. Yes, it is PVC cling film. This simple product not only preserves freshness, but also widely is used to pack food items in restaurants, wrap vegetables and fruits in supermarkets, and extend the shelf life of various items by protecting them from moisture, gases, and microorganisms during transportation. Due to this, the demand for this PVC cling film roll in the market is always high. In this situation, if you're looking to start a business that can earn good money with low investment, starting this PVC cling film roll manufacturing business will be a great success for you. So in today's video, we will tell you in detail how to start this PVC cling film roll manufacturing business and how much you can earn from it. Make sure you watch this video until the end for more unique business ideas and subscribe to our channel. Also like the video, share it with your friends. Come on, let's explore the business. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market demand and growth. Today, with the increasing awareness of food safety and hygiene, the use of PVC cling film in food packaging, hospitality, supermarkets and home kitchens is increasing rapidly. The size of the packaging industry in India is expected to cross $75 billion by 2025, and the demand for cling film in it continues to be high. Domestically, its market is around 1,500 to 2,000 crore rupees. Internationally, the global market for PVC cling film is over $15 billion and is growing at a rate of 6 to 7% every year. The specialty of this business is that there is a continuous demand for it as hotels and supermarkets use tons of it every day. This means that if you start this business, you not only have the Indian market, but also in future, a huge export potential. So your product will always have a place in the market. Location and space selection. The best thing about starting this business is that you don't need a very big factory to start this unit. You can easily do the work in an area of around 500 to 1500 square feet. Installation of machinery, storage of raw materials, warehousing of finished goods and packaging section can fit comfortably in this space. While choosing the location, keep in mind that the place should be in an industrial area or a place where continuous electricity and transportation facilities are easily available. If your unit is located near a highway or a big city, logistics and delivery to the customer will become much easier. How much investment is needed? Now let's talk about the investment. To start a small and medium scale business, you may need approximately 12 to 20 lakh rupees. In this, cost of machinery will be approximately 10 lakhs and you will need approximately 4 lakhs to buy raw materials like PVC resin and plasticizer. Also, the cost of electrical fittings and infrastructure for your unit will be around rupees 2 to 3 lakhs. Apart from this, 1 to 2 lakhs will be spent on initial 2 to 3 months of working capital and employee salaries. That is, if you have a budget of up to 15 lakh rupees, you can easily start this business. Also friends, the investment amount, raw material and machinery prices that we have mentioned here are just an estimate. They can change at any time. Therefore, consulting a good business consultant can help you know more about this business. Get license and permits. Next, legal permits are essential for any manufacturing business. First, to get government approval for the business, you need to get an MSME Udyam registration. Since this product will be sold on both B2B and B2C, a GST number is mandatory. Apart from this, it is also necessary to obtain a trade license and a factory license. Apart from that, if you want to manufacture in large quantities, you will also need to obtain an NOC from the Pollution Control Board. If you are creating your own brand, you can choose a trademark for the brand as per your choice. Finally, it is better to transact as an MSME to avail government schemes and loans. Raw materials for making. The most important raw material for making PVC cling film is polyvinyl chloride or PVC resin. Along with this, some plasticizers, cardboard core for rolls, additives and stabilizers are used to make the film flexible and strong. This raw material is easily available in industrial hubs like Gujarat, Maharashtra and Delhi NCR. You can buy directly from big chemical suppliers or find suppliers from B2B platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, Alibaba. Remember to always buy raw materials from good quality branded suppliers, as the quality of the product depends on it. Machines for production. PVC cling film extrusion machine is the lifeblood of this business. These machines come in different sizes and capacities. Small machines can produce 20 to 30 kgs per hour, while large machines produce up to 80 to 100 kg per hour. Along with this, a cutting and rewinding machine is also necessary to convert large rolls into small packing rolls. You can buy these machines from industrial areas like Ahmedabad, Faridabad, Mumbai and Hyderabad. Apart from this, machine suppliers are also available on B2B online platforms from sites like IndiaMart, Trade India and Alibaba. Also, the price of these vary depending on the functions, and the price is subject to change at any time. Manufacturing process. The process of making PVC cling film is done in many ways. Today we will see how it is made in a semi-automatic way. First, PVC resin and plasticizer are mixed and put into the extrusion machine. Then this machine heats this mixture and turns it into a thin and transparent film. After this, the heated film is passed through cooling rollers and the film is wound on the roller of the desired thickness. Then, with the help of a cutting and rewinding machine, it is cut into small rolls of different sizes of 100 meters, 200 meters or 600 meters. Finally, each roll is packed in a branded packing carton for retail sale and is ready for the market. Marketing for sales. Now comes the most important thing, marketing. The specialty of this product is that its market is very large. You can supply directly to hotels, restaurants, catering services and supermarkets. You can also get big orders by connecting with wholesale market and distributors. Apart from this, you can also reach retail customers by listing on e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, JioMart. If you brand your own product and you sell it with eco-friendly packaging, people will be more attracted to it quickly. Social media marketing and WhatsApp business groups are also very helpful. The best part of this business is that there is demand everywhere, which ensures repeat orders and steady growth for your business. Also, with support from the government, microloans and angel investors, you can turn your innovative small business into a big success in 2026. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share it and comment your thoughts below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell for more profitable business ideas and videos that will help you start your own venture.